Let's convert 94 base 10 to base 5. Can you give it a trial? Feel free to pause the video and check the answer at the end of the video. Solution. To convert 94 base 10 to base 5, we divide repeatedly by 5 until further division is no longer possible. And to do that, we draw a table. We place our 94 at this side. Then the base we are converting it to 5 at the other side. Then we divide. 5 goes in 9, we have 1 remainder 4. 5 goes in 44, we have 8, which is 40, remainder 4. Divide again by 5. 5 goes in 18 here, we have 3, remainder 3. Divide again by 5. 5 goes in 3, we have 0, remainder 3. Take the remainder upwards. Therefore, we have our 94 base 10 equals 3, 3, 4 base 5. Did you get the answer correctly? Now that's how to solve 94 base 10 to base 5.